Alrighty guys, time for another distro review, and this time it's Arch-based Endeavour OS. Looks like they have this purple space theme, which I'm liking a lot. And guess what else? Open up their website homepage and check this out, straight into the download mirror list. This distro doesn't muck around. This will be good. Love the grub screen here. Alrighty, we are in the live CD, and it looks fantastic. Very impressed, definitely one of the best Arch distros I've seen. Now this is the KDE desktop, and it looks actually more like XFCE or Cinnamon. The dark mode goes very well with the purple color theme. Also, the welcome screen is very useful. You've got the start installer, of course, but you can read the documentation and even do some partitioning before you begin. Let's go with the offline installer, as I don't want to download anything else. Oh, for a second there I thought this was the location map. Now this is the Mercury version of Endeavour OS. I've also tried the Neo version some months back, but had some problems with installing the packages I needed, so I'm hoping this time things will be better. The install seems easy enough. I've not had to deal with any Arch-specific changes. This could almost be a newbie-friendly distro. And we're done. Surprisingly and refreshingly easy. Alrighty, let's log in and have a look at Endeavour OS. This seems to be taking a bit of time, but that might be a KDE thing, or maybe just a first boot related issue. Not sure what that was, but we are finally in, and I'm a huge fan of well thought out welcome screens. I'm no slouch at Linux, but Arch is a little different to most, so I can appreciate all the resources linked up here. The desktop environment is KDE, of course, and I must say, I've not seen it look this good. This is definitely a dark mode OS. There are only a couple wallpapers and themes, but honestly, if it's this good, then who needs options? Righto, let's see if we can get some packages or new applications installed. I'm going to do the right thing and run the updater first. This might take a while, but I'll stare at the Pac-Man animation while I wait. Okay, that took a lot longer than I was expecting, and check this out, reboot recommended. What is this? Windows? All good though. It gave me a chance to have a look over the system. One thing I realized is that Endeavour doesn't come with any graphical package manager, just loads of tutorials and tips on how to do things via the terminal, which I don't actually mind. There is this popular packages menu, which essentially just launches the command line anyway. The general aim seems to be to reduce bloat and just let the user set up the distro how they like it. You can see this in the default applications installed, just the basics. No Office Suite, for example. Okay guys, that install completed, and we have our brand new Chromium ready to run. And I'm starting to like the Endeavour OS approach. Installing things via command line is pretty easy, and you get to feel like you have just enough control over your system. Endeavour OS is not for new users, but it's definitely my pick if you want to take on Arch Linux and try it out for the first time. It holds your hand just enough to help you along. Great OS, great UI, great work Endeavour OS. And as always guys, like and subscribe. Until next time.